Hello and welcome my friend, and then how I can open this rusty steel and metal, this locking clamp, if this bolt is totally rusty. Okay, let's look at how it happens. Okay, and there is my steel brush, and then I clean this rusty screw in here, or actually this bolt, and also in that one. And let's see that how I can open this screw in here. This is difficult job. Now we can see that this is the screw and this belt what is now rusty. And how I can open this one. Firstly, I think that I can open this steel, this locking thing. This is easier. I open firstly this one. Okay, and when we have good quality pliers, this locking pin opening should be easy in that way. Good. Now this goes nicely, and then I a little bit move this hose that this opens maybe better. Little bit movement. Good. Okay, now it's really bit loosened. Great. And then I have left this difficult opening job in here, and okay, and this is difficult job. Maybe I can try to open this central area, or then I can cut this clamp. It is great idea. Okay, and now I have really these tools what using I can cut like 1 millimeter thick this steel. But now I try to cut this locking belt in here, and let's look at in what way I can cut. Now I start to cut this in here. Okay, good. In this way. Excellent. Now I took first part. We can go to look a little bit closer, that we can see that what is happening. And then I have the most difficult thing, that how I can cut this steel thing away in here, because this is thick and durable. I try to install my tool in here. Now I take some extra tools. Okay, and now I try this my knife, that I try to cut this thing, and also this one is possible to cut in here. This is good idea. I try to cut this steel. Now I use a little bit bigger, because this is rusty, and maybe we can open this. In That way I have good spanner and there's a lot of force, and if I little bit move that in that way, not so easy. Let's see if I can cut this part. Little bit movement. Okay, now I move that, and I have to be carefully that I don't damage this fuel line hose. And then I use my knife. Maybe I can, and actually there's possibility that I can also cut this hose. This is one feel. And now I actually use this trick. If this is so durable, I can cut also this hose. But I try to cut again this spanner using this durable cutting pliers in that way. Now I managed to do cut hole. Excellent. A little bit more. Okay. A little bit more in there. Now I go forward. And I use also in here this screwdriver. I bend this away. And in that case I can't use now any grinding machine, because otherwise I have risky that, because this is fuel line hose, that I have fire in here. And this is really excellent Toyota's part, very durable, extremely well made. Okay, and now I work in here with these big pliers. Maybe when I move this clamp 100 times, this becomes loosened. In that way. Okay. Okay, excellent. Okay, and now I work in here so long in this way that this area becomes cut. And now I have to work in this area so long, then this bigger part opens. And now I managed to open that. Yes. And now this part opens. Great. And there is this steel clamp what was rusty. Excellent. And this is nice job. And now I am very happy. And I managed to like cut and remove these things. Excellent. And next I have to move this my fuel line hose with these my big pliers, and in this way. And this is rust. Very. Okay, actually it is in here. this hose opens in here. Great. Okay, now these parts in here. And now I move that this oil line opens. Excellent. And now these fuel tanks, these hoses are free, and I can move this my fuel tank forward.